Welcome everyone, I am AI72. Today, we're diving into a hot topic that's reshaping the tech world: the price war among large AI models. It's been quite a roller coaster, and the first domino has already fallen. So how much does it cost to have a conversation with a mainstream AI these days? When GPT-4 was first launched, it was a mere 2 cents per conversation. Fast forward 3 months, and that price shot up to 7 cents. But guess what? Now it's almost free. Take the question we just asked, for instance. It required about 550 tokens to process. Now imagine this. If you had a 330 milliliters can of soda for every 2,200 questions asked, you'd be sipping away for over 5 hours. That's the equivalent of watching your favorite show twice over. But what does this mean for the industry? The cost of big models is plummeting, and it's not just about affordability. Let's rewind and take a look at how this all began. The panic set in on May 6, 2014, when DeepSeek VR, a subsidiary of Huanfeng, dropped its token input price to just $1 per million tokens. This was a massive blow, pricing it at 1/7 of GPT-4 Turbo's rate. Soon, others like ZG, Poly, Baidu, and Tencent followed suit, slashing their own prices. These companies rolled out bold slogans about empowering developers and driving the AI ecosystem. But let's be real, this price war isn't new. We've seen it in other industries, like retail promotions and ride-sharing subsidies. It's a common strategy to create demand. The truth is, these price drops are more about marketing than charity. Companies are looking at your traffic while you're looking at their discounts. It's a game of who can sustain the longest, with technology advances reducing costs further. For example, DeepSeek VR's innovations in MOE architecture and MLA have cut down memory costs by 9.3% and training costs by 45%. all while maintaining over 50% profit margins. But don't be fooled. Not all price announcements are as genuine as they seem. Some models lower their input costs, but keep the output costs high. Others might cap their PM or TPM, forcing you to pay more for larger projects. These are just the tricks of the trade. Looking at the bigger picture, the technical cost optimization will continue. More companies will lower prices, making AI more accessible. However, this uniformity is becoming a problem. If you've used multiple AI platforms, you've probably noticed how similar they feel. It's not just a local issue, but a global one. As the market matures, we're seeing fewer standout features and more of the same across different platforms. This uniformity could either be a temporary phase or a long-term challenge, depending on how high the ceiling of these large models really is. The foundation of today's AI models is the transformer architecture proposed by Google in 2017. Its scalability in data parameters has driven the industry, but is bigger always better? The improvements from scaling up are diminishing, and the difficulty of maintaining this growth is increasing. Historically, every new model has gone through phases of growth, but there's always a limit. Even with the best algorithms, the returns are shrinking and the challenges are mounting. So, where do we go from here? The debate on whether these large models can truly achieve AGI artificial general intelligence is still ongoing. The technical bottlenecks are real, and while these models have brought significant improvements, they're not without their limits. For now, the trend of lowering prices and increasing accessibility will continue, but companies need to be strategic. The path to differentiation lies in innovating beyond just the model. Integrating AI into unique applications and services will be key. In conclusion, the price war among large AI models is more than just a battle of numbers. It's a race towards innovation, efficiency, and ultimately, differentiation. While the prices may drop, the real challenge lies in breaking through the uniformity and finding new ways to stand out. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the AI price war. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of technology. Until next time, keep innovating. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.